Hi, my name is Kristen Wiley, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Dragon Speech Recognition. Welcome to this instructional video for one of the greatest productivity benefits of Dragon, the ability to transcribe spoken recordings, including audio files captured on a digital voice recorder. When you're away from your desk, just dictate notes, reports, journal entries, or any other content into a digital recorder, or use the Dragon Recorder app on your iOS device. Then automatically transcribe the audio files later with Dragon Speech Recognition on your PC or Mac. This instructional video will walk you through every step of the transcription process so that you can stay productive with Dragon, even when you're on the go. There are a few things to consider before you get started. First, this transcription feature is only available with the premium, professional, or legal editions of Dragon Naturally Speaking on your PC, or Mac Speech Scribe on your Mac. Second, Dragon Speech Recognition is designed to accurately recognize the voice of a single speaker. Dragon won't yield accurate results if you try to transcribe audio files with multiple speakers, such as interviews or meetings. Next, think about the recording device that you will use to capture your audio files. Dragon works with many devices across various sizes, styles, features, and price points. Consult the hardware compatibility list on our website to view tested devices and select the device that best meets your individual needs. An important consideration is the format the device uses to save the audio files. Dragon Naturally Speaking for your PC can recognize WAV, WMA, DSS, DS2, and MP3 files. Mac Speech Scribe for your Mac can transcribe AIF, AIFF, M4A, M4V, MP4, and WAV files. You may want to be sure your device records in one of these file formats to save yourself the extra step of converting your recordings to an acceptable file format. Make sure that you're familiar with the operating instructions for your recorder before proceeding. Be sure to review the device's user guide for tasks such as how to start, pause, and stop a recording. Review your device's optimal quality settings for speech recognition. When creating an audio file for transcription, always hold the recorder at the same distance from your mouth. The recorder's microphone should be placed consistently, about 3 to 4 inches from the corner of your mouth. Try not to move the recorder as you speak. Touching your thumb to your jaw can help. For better quality recordings, consider connecting a headset microphone to your device rather than talking into the built-in microphone. The headset microphone often offers superior noise-canceling capabilities so that Dragon can focus on your voice rather than potential background noise. Speak at your natural pace and tone, but try to think about what you want to say before you start speaking. Dragon will yield the best results if you speak in long, natural utterances. Be sure to dictate punctuation as you speak. This demonstration highlights the steps used to transcribe audio files with Dragon Naturally Speaking version 11.5. The menu options and transcription user interface are slightly different if you're using an older version of Dragon. Consult the Help menu on the Dragon bar for information specific to your version. Start Dragon and open your user profile. In order to achieve the most accurate transcription results from your recording, you should prepare Dragon to recognize your recording device as a new audio input source within your existing profile. Under the Profile menu of the Dragon bar, select Add Dictation Source to Current User Profile. In the new Dictation Source window, choose Digital Audio Recorder. Choose Handheld or Smartphone with Recording application if you are using the Dragon Recorder app. Dragon will then give you an opportunity to complete general training for your new source. This is a one-time setup that should take no more than 15 minutes to complete. To begin adapting your profile, Dragon needs a sample of your recorded speech. Select from the list of readings, ranging from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory to President Kennedy's inaugural address, and choose to either view the reading on screen or print a copy of the text. Read the text into your recorder for at least 5 minutes. For best results, imagine you are speaking your own thoughts and record the reading in the same sound environment you're likely to use for future recordings so that Dragon has an accurate acoustic sample. Note, speaking punctuation is optional here, but consider speaking at least the periods, commas, and question marks. This is a good opportunity to practice. When you've completed the recording, click Next. Connect your recorder to your PC to access this recording. Methods vary based on the specific recording device you're using. For example, some use a USB cable or USB connector on the recorder itself, and some use a cradle or docking station. Others require their own software, and the Dragon Recorder app connects to your PC via Wi-Fi sharing or via iTunes. Transfer your training recording to your PC using the method appropriate for your device. Save the audio file in a folder or desktop location that will be easy for you to access. Once the file is saved to your PC, browse to it and click Next. Once Dragon has finished adapting from your acoustic sample, it will indicate that the process is complete and your profile is ready for transcription. Once you've transferred your audio files to your PC, you can transcribe them, one at a time, into a document or application window. Before launching a transcription, be sure to select the correct input source within your user profile. Also, you may want to tell Dragon to favor accuracy over speed. From the Dragon Bar's Tools menu, open the Options dialog and click on the Miscellaneous tab. Then move the Speed versus Accuracy slider all the way toward Accuracy. When doing live dictation, most people want a fairly fast response, but when transcribing a recording, they don't mind letting Dragon take the time to provide its most accurate transcription. Select Transcribe Recording from the Dragon Bar's Tools menu. You can also click on the Transcribe button on the Extras toolbar, which can be displayed by clicking the double arrows at the end of the Dragon Bar. By default, Dragon will transcribe your recording into its built-in word processor, DragonPad. You can cut and paste text from this document or format the text within DragonPad and save it as an RTF file. Or if you prefer, you can specify the application window in which you want Dragon to transcribe your audio, such as a Microsoft Word document or an email message. Be sure you have this application window open on your screen before proceeding to the next step. Optionally, you can also indicate whether or not you want Dragon to recognize voice commands within your audio file beyond dictation commands, such as new line, cap, or all caps. For example, you can incorporate scratch that and resume with commands while dictating your audio files. The resume with command lets you back up if you misspeak or change your mind after dictating a phrase. For example, if you dictate, "Meet me for lunch next Wednesday," and then you change your mind, you could just say, resume with, "Meet me for dinner next Thursday," and continue the recording. For details about the commands Dragon can recognize during transcription, view the Help. Browse to locate the transferred audio file you saved on your computer. Click Transcribe. Now click within the application where you want the transcription to appear. The transcribed text will now be placed into the selected application wherever you have placed your mouse cursor. Don't use your mouse or keyboard while Dragon performs this task. Once your text has been transcribed from the audio file into your selected application, review the text for accuracy. This is a good opportunity to correct any misrecognitions that may appear in the transcription. Properly correcting misrecognitions will allow Dragon to deliver even better recognition results in subsequent transcription sessions. Remember that if a word or phrase is not in Dragon's active vocabulary, Dragon can't transcribe it. Be sure to customize your vocabulary with the unique words and terms that you use regularly. Select Vocabulary Editor to add new words. Select the text that you want to correct, and then use the buttons on the Extras toolbar of the Dragon Bar to play back your dictation. The transcribed words will be highlighted on the screen as the audio is played back. If you see a spot where you spoke clearly, but Dragon transcribed incorrectly, press the correction hotkey. By default, that's the minus key on the numeric keypad, but you can customize it based on your personal preferences. Or click the Correction button on the Dragon Bar Extras toolbar. The correction menu appears, and you can use the mouse or keyboard to make any necessary corrections. You can choose to have Dragon automatically bring up an alternate correction interface, the spelling window. With Dragon and a digital recording device, faster and more efficient document creation is just a few simple steps away, even when you're on the go.